Hi everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate a small Chrome extension that I have built for calculating knee flexion angle. Before that, what is a knee flexion? I'm going to give a small overview. So knee flexion is the action of bending knee by decreasing the angle between your thigh and lower leg. This motion is essential for many of our daily activities like walking, running, or taking up the stairs. As you can see in the image, this is a range of motion that our knee can perform. At full extension, it is 0 degrees, and full flexion, it is 135 degrees. For taking up stairs and descent, we roughly need 90 degrees. To ride a bike, around 115 degrees, and so on. So this knee flexion angle is an important factor in the assessment of knee joint health and function. People who have undergone ACL reconstruction surgery or total knee replacement surgeries, this angle is an important parameter to measure the knee flexion range of motion and compare it with pre and post surgery. So why I needed to build this tool? Because I had to undergo my ACL reconstruction surgery 6 weeks back, and I didn't have a place where I can put up my images and calculate my uh, knee flexion angle and check how much I'm able to achieve over weeks. It was kind of a guesswork, and I tried to put this up so that I can track my progress over months or weeks and see how much I have improved. So let's come to the features that I have added. Some basic features are a user can upload an image of a knee flexion and jot down the points of hip, knee, and ankle, and they can calculate the knee flexion angle. They can also store the progress over time, and they can also delete a data point if they have put it in a wrong manner. So let's see how it works. Now to check on knee flexion, let's choose an image. So over last 6 weeks, I have taken few pictures of my physiotherapy sessions, and let's select one picture out of this of 3rd September. For now, I'll just name it as person 1. Let's use 3rd of September. Now, assuming this point is going to be extended towards hip, now this knee, this is the ankle, the knee flexion is 41 degrees. Let's put another one. September. Keep the name same as before. Now, assuming this is hip, knee, and ankle is 61 degrees. So as you can see in the graph, you can see both the data points. Now, what if I put a wrong data set? I can also delete a specific date, like let's delete 4th of September, or we can also delete all data per person. Now, let's check my progress over a period of 1 month. So, taking this image from 16th October, I have all my data under my name. Let's select 16th October, and it's roughly the hip, knee, and so this is how it looks for all the data points I have had for last 1 month for myself. So there are few things that we need to take into consideration for this. Is yes, we are manually selecting the points, and it might be a little bit wrong, but it does put us give us an idea where the range of our angle lies. To mitigate this, there is also a wonderful library developed by Google that is called ProseNet, but because of Chrome's CSP, I couldn't include that. So now one more amazing fact that this whole extension was built by a powerful tool called Cursor AI, and all was done under 2 hours. Pretty amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much from my side. I have put down all the links in the video's description. If someone wants to use this utility, they can download this folder and follow all the steps mentioned here and use it. So kindly use it if you need it, and happy recovering, and do let me know if new features can be added here for its improvement. And yeah, thank you.